This morning we're just having a quick look at the difference between the angle adjuster pads for the Diona RXT Child Restraint. The one on the left is the previous model and the one on the right is the newer style that appears to be a slightly different shape as well. The one on the left there is long but not as wide. The one on the right there is wider but not as long. If we just have a quick look close up, you'll notice that this one here is a more denser foam. It doesn't compress quite as much, and it's unlikely to it's more likely to retain the shape as it is after the seat's been put on. This one here is a foam that's softer, and been told that over time it actually takes on the shape of the seat and doesn't come back to its original size. So if you're buying them now, you will be receiving the newer one like that. Okay, that was brought to you by New Zealand Child Restraints.